job's a little bit different. I got a good friend of mine from high school. He's going to build a new house out here. I think it's going to be a shop house. So we got to build a 40 by 60 pad. Got some trees to clear out, some stumps and junk like that to move. Yeah, for starters, I'm just going to kind of go and get the. We've kind of somewhat roughed where the pad's going to go at. Up here where we're sitting, it's going to go 60 wide, 40 long. But all this junk's kind of in the way, so he's getting that moved out now. And then I'm going to go around and kind of pop these stumps out. And then I'm going to scrape all the grass and the topsoil. It's actually, he's dug a few test holes for a septic, and there's a really good layer of red clay. He's got plenty of material on site to use. So like I said, we're just gonna kind of start scratching this all out. It'll go just past that little stump right there, and then I got a couple little things to take out there, but then we'll scratch all this off. I'm about, I don't know, I'd say 45 minutes from my shop, so this is kind of one of those deals where I wish I had a trailer big enough to haul both machines. But I don't, so we'll make it work with this today. And bring the loader back tomorrow. So yeah, a little different. I'm not in the city limits, so I don't have to deal with all that, and nobody's been on the job yet to leave all the trash around. Once January gets here, I'm getting my bigger truck, and then I'll be on the hunt for a bigger trailer. Which I've kind of got one found, but it's in North Carolina, so just gotta find time to go look at it or get it. I hadn't got much done. I just got machines moved around. I got some stumps and stuff like that yanked out, and now I'm gonna go in there with the loader and kind of start just peeling this top off, because he's kind of dug a test hole here to put some of the junkier dirt back in, but he's got really good red clay. You can kind of see, I don't know, 18 inches, 2 foot down, it turns to that real good red orange clay around here. I'm just gonna kind of come in here and peel this off, because I got the stand set up there. We're gonna try to build this pad up and get it high enough up where the water kind of runs around the house. So this side's maybe 3 feet or better over here, but we can kind of take this and then taper it out and then kind of just feather it out in there and make it look like it was meant to be here, not just stuck in the side of the hill. And I think we're actually going to try to get rid of that pile, and on the other side of his backhoe is another pile, and then down by where my dump truck's at, we're going to kind of cut some of that off and reshape the driveway. So we got plenty of good material. We'll just start scraping this off, get down to some decent stuff, and then kind of tear into those piles and stuff and start trying to bench this thing in.